So I'm here in the studio today with the HISENSE PL1, and you can use this to turn home entertainment into home theatre. It's a laser projector that's simple to set up but still packed with cinema standard Dolby tech, so you get an authentic experience. So you don't need to install this at the back of the room or mount it to the ceiling to get a big screen. Simply place the unit on your TV stand, and thanks to the ultra short throw technology, you can get a screen size from 80 inches all the way up to 120 inches. That flexibility means you can tweak it to suit any space or setting. You just need to change how far away it is from the wall. The actual picture quality comes from X-Fusion laser technology, which uses a narrow laser light. The reason for that is a wider laser causes dispersion while the narrower light wave is pure. That means that you get colours that are a lot more natural and sharp and a more detailed picture. To make sure you get an authentic cinematic experience at home, you've got Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos technologies in here. It's tech that's being used in cinemas around the world, so you are really getting a legit big screen feel with this projector. Dolby Vision is their form of HDR, which basically optimizes the color, contrast, and brightness of everything you watch. Then you've got Dolby Atmos, which gives you immersive audio that moves around you based on where the action is coming from on the screen. Take a listen to this.
Scotland, your reality, everything you're holding on to, I know how it ends.
You've even got a filmmaker mode on here, which means you can make sure you're watching everything just as the creators intended. It strips back a lot of the post-processing that's applied to films and shows, and it restores the original calibration settings from the director. So your viewing experience is a lot cleaner and more cinematic. That way, you're seeing things as they should be seen. If you'd like more info about the HISENSE PL1, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.